guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I have not practiced this makeup look, so hopefully it turns out good. So I have the picture uploaded on the computer because I obviously use my phone to record. I hope that I feel like I am kind of able to do this. I'm not gonna copy exactly what is on the picture, just something similar. So I'm just going to really quickly do my base, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So I kind of lied about getting my base done because I just remembered that I had to do the wing liner. But I did put on foundation already, and I did do my eyebrows. I didn't do much of my eyebrows. I just filled them in and then I just carved them out. So I'm looking and it's like kind of neutrally. It's just mainly the big winged liner. I don't know if I should do like the whole cat eye thing because last time I tried it on me and I didn't really like it. I'm gonna go in first with this first shade right here in the Makeup Revolution Bronze palette. I have some scotch tape right here and I'm just gonna apply some to where I'm gonna do my liner. Okay, this one was an extra long piece. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna actually mix these two in. I'm like kind of taking the brush first before I put it on my eyelid, and I just kind of dab some of it off on the tape just in case if I grab too much. And I'm gonna go on with more of like a brown shade. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani makeup palette and I'm gonna go in with the shade Grounded. Right? No, it's not called Grounded, it's called Edible. Take it on a slightly fluffier brush. Different have one. Actually gonna go in with this one, this first shade called Edible, and then I'm gonna go in with this one just a little bit. So I'm gonna take like a flatter brush and then I'm just going to kind of pat it towards like where the gold or glitter part is at. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not good at doing makeup. I don't know why I do makeup tutorials now. Like, what is up with that? But you know what? This is practice. This is why we're practicing. Okay, you want to make sure that it's blended. So just going back, blending it. Now we're gonna go in with this fluffier brush. Just take very little. Even gonna dab some off. Just pat it out. Like just focusing it on the ends. That's all that we're gonna do for the base of our eyeshadow because I don't trust myself to do more. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. I don't have much. I'm not gonna do it that thick though. Whenever I do eyeliner, people do compliment me that my eyeliner looks really good, but honestly, it's just because I use tape. I'm gonna take out the tape and see how it looks. Okay, it doesn't look too bad, but like it needs to be fixed. And I'm just gonna sharpen it up more with a Q-tip. So no bright under eye today. And that's okay. I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used to carve out my eyebrows, and I'm just going to extend the concealer next to the eyeliner so that it cleans it up more. I'm just gonna blend it very carefully. A little bit more coverage under the eyes. While we let that dry, we're just going. And then whatever's left of my beauty blender, I'm just going to dab it onto my forehead. Now I'm just gonna highlight my nose. I'm just going to put some Fit Me pressed powder, starting from my under eyes and working my way around my face. Then we're gonna go in with some translucent powder. Now we're going to go in with the Fit Me powder, loose powder to bake under my eyes and on my nose. I'm just going to lightly dab the one on my forehead and on my chin, because I don't like those areas to be too bright, to be honest. Go ahead and bronze while we contour, kind of dusting away some of the powder. Okay, then I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and I'm just going to go over my nose contour. I'm actually going to be taking the Barbie e.l.f. palette that I have, and I'm going to be using this pink blush. Don't really use this blush, to be honest, because just of how, like, I'm just not really a huge fan of pink blushes, but let's see how this goes. She kind of has it like on the apples of her cheeks. Okay, it's cute. It's definitely bringing everything together, I feel like. Just a tiny bit on my forehead and on my chin, just to give myself some color. Okay, I think I still want like a brighter pink. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with the Regina George Mean Girls. Okay, so the hot pink one is very shimmery, so I think I'm just gonna go in with the baby pink one and see what happens. Okay, perfect. Really what we were going for here. And she kind of does her nose like that. With away our bake. I'm actually gonna go back in with some more bronzer just because I feel like the blush is kind of overpowering it. I'm not gonna put on our lashes just yet, but just so we can let the mascara dry a bit, because I've been trying to do that where I do my mascara ahead of time, sometimes maybe even before I start my foundation, but just so that you allow the mascara time to dry. Okay, we're gonna save our bottom lashes for last and to kind of clean it up a bit. Next, lip liner in the shade Espresso. Now I'm going to take a regular brown eyeliner. Now we're just going to smear it. I'm going to go in with this pink lip gloss by Guess. Some of the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. This is cute. Okay, I'm officially a Barbie. I think I'm a pink blush girl now. I even kind of want to bake a little bit. And I'm going in with some Wet n Wild Photo Focus banana powder. Okay, I'm just gonna take regular lashes that I use. And then while that is drying, I'm just going to kind of outline my waterline. I don't know how you guys do this. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara and just lightly. So I'm gonna go back in with the Revolution Bronze palette. Probably, I would say maybe use these two both shades for like everywhere, basically. A fluffy brush for the cheeks. I'm gonna go in with this one first and then directly above. And then just mix. And then apply. I'm gonna take some of the gold as well. Then I'm going to just set everything. No. And this is how it looks in natural lighting, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you all so much.